Hi there, students. Methodical. Okay, this is an adjective which means that you follow an organized method in order to make sure you do everything, that you don't miss any small details. So methodical. Methodical people do things in a very ordered, a very careful way. I am very methodical, and I write a list for each thing that I need to do so that I don't forget anything. Methodical, done in a very ordered, very careful way. A methodical approach. Normally, if you call somebody methodical, this is being very positive about them. Methodical, controlled and systematic. It's talking about a way of doing things that you follow pace 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7, etc. And like that, it is what you do is very careful, very organized, and it means that you don't miss anything. Well, maybe there's a flaw in the method, but a methodical approach is a good way of doing it. He used a focused, methodical approach to finding the resources that he needs. He's very methodical and pragmatic. So methodically, somebody who follows things from step to the next step. It's in an organized way. It's something that's systematic so that you don't miss anything. The books in the library were methodically organized in alphabetic order so that you could find any of them. He's a very methodical researcher who follows what he should do. His habits are very ordered. His habits are very systematic, and like that, it's very unlikely that he misses anything. Yeah, it's an organized, orderly way. It's structured, planned, and regular. So his research is methodically done, is using a systematic method, done according to an established procedure, a methodical approach to the evaluation of employees' performance. A methodical person is orderly, is systematic in their thoughts or in their behavior. She was so methodical that every step was documented. He was methodical and precise, and that made him a great champion. They are good methodical thinkers, and that it means that they can keep their head under pressure. He was a methodical man and kept a note of everything in his notebook. He took a methodical approach to everything he did. He's methodical and organized. They are methodical, and that makes them quite cautious as well, because things should follow the method, done using an organized procedure in an organized way, well thought out and carefully planned planned before you act, and then following each step in following this method. It's something that's systematic. You're following a system to make sure that everything is done. Methodical, deliberate and painstaking, especially being very slow and careful. Like the tortoise says, slow and steady wins the race. Yeah, it's performed in an order with method. He treated the subject methodically. He's very methodical in his daily routine. He's a very methodical worker. He habitually proceeds according to the way that he does things. The article was a methodical review of all the evidence. A slow and methodical worker who covers every point, and therefore they may be slow, but they're never going to miss anything. A methodical approach, a methodical search. Yes, you're doing things carefully and thoroughly and in the correct order. This seemed to be the sensible, methodical way to proceed. They say that Leonardo da Vinci was methodical and carefully recorded all his observations and theories. When you pack a suitcase, you need to be methodical. You methodically put the things in the suitcase, otherwise everything comes out crushed and crumpled, and you need to iron it all again. So methodical, systematic, orderly, organised, regular, meticulous, structured, systematic, precise, scrupulous and well ordered. So she's very slow but methodical. He's methodical to the nth degree. A scientist is normally a methodical person. He had a neat, methodical mind. She's very good at methodical work, but when there's a lot of pressure, she falls to pieces. So methodical, literally following a method. Methodikos in Greek, methodos, the method, so following a method. So formality, methodical. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality. Use anywhere. It's on the more formal side, but you can use it anywhere. So, methodical. Bye for now.